Navigating Pregnancy, Tips for a Healthy and Happy Journey. Hello, expectant moms and families, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible journey of pregnancy. It's a time of excitement, anticipation, and, of course, lots of questions. Whether you're an expectant mom or supporting a loved one through this beautiful journey, this video is here to guide you on how to make the most of this special time in your life. So, let's embark on this journey towards a healthy and happy pregnancy together. Step 1. Prenatal care and consultations. The foundation of a healthy pregnancy is proper prenatal care. Start by finding an obstetrician or midwife you trust and schedule your first prenatal visit. Regular checkups are essential for monitoring your health and the baby's development. Step 2. Balanced nutrition. During pregnancy, your nutritional needs change. Focus on a well-balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and dairy or dairy alternatives. Stay hydrated and take prenatal vitamins as recommended by your healthcare provider. Step 3. Staying active. Exercise is crucial during pregnancy. Engage in safe, low-impact activities like walking, swimming, or prenatal yoga. Regular exercise can help relieve discomfort and improve your mood. Step 4. Managing discomfort. Pregnancy can come with its share of discomforts, such as morning sickness, back pain, and swelling. Learn about natural remedies and methods for managing these discomforts to stay as comfortable as possible. Step 5. Mental and emotional well-being. Pregnancy is a time of emotional ups and downs. It's normal to have worries and doubts. Build a support system, talk to friends, family, or a therapist, and consider prenatal classes to prepare for the emotional journey of parenthood. Step 6. Pregnancy preparations. As you progress in your pregnancy, start preparing for the baby's arrival. Research and make decisions about birthing plans, nursery setup, and baby essentials like cribs, car seats, and baby clothes. Step 7. Embrace self-care. Take time for self-care during pregnancy. Treat yourself to relaxing baths, massages, or prenatal spa days. You deserve it. Step 8. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Read books, attend prenatal classes, and talk to experienced parents. Educating yourself about pregnancy and childbirth can reduce anxiety and boost your confidence. Step 9. Birth plan. Discuss and create a birth plan with your healthcare provider. Determine your preferences for labor and delivery, such as pain management options, labor positions, and who will be present during childbirth. Step 10. Enjoy the journey. Lastly, remember to enjoy the journey. Take maternity photos, keep a pregnancy journal, and cherish the moments of feeling your baby's movements. This time is fleeting, and these memories will last a lifetime. Congratulations on embarking on this incredible journey of pregnancy. It's a time filled with unique experiences, emotions, and love. By prioritizing prenatal care, nutrition, self-care, and emotional well-being, you're setting the foundation for a healthy and happy pregnancy. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more parenting insights, and share your own pregnancy experiences and tips in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and here's to a joyful and thriving pregnancy.